Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the fabric and washing symbols. This prevents damage. Once done, mix 1/2 cup lukewarm water with a small drop of mild detergent. You apply the solution to a hidden seam with a white cloth to spot test for color fastness, waiting 30 to 60 seconds. If the color runs, stop and choose a dry cleaner. If not, blot the visible dirt gently with the cloth. Do not rub hard, so you lift surface grime without embedding it further. You now remove loose particles by gently blotting and using a soft brush to loosen embedded dirt. This step avoids grinding grime into fibers. Once loosened, apply the mild detergent solution sparingly and work from the stain edges toward the center. This prevents spreading. You use short, controlled strokes and pause to lift the dissolved soil with a dry white cloth. Make sure to rinse by dabbing with a clean, damp cloth until detergent residue is gone and the fabric no longer feels sticky. You finish by reshaping the bodice and air drying it flat or on a padded hanger in the shade. Heat and sun can set stains or fade color. Once dry, inspect under good light, and if residue remains, repeat the targeted cleaning once more and then rinse thoroughly. If a stain persists after 2 attempts, or if any color bleeds occurred during cleaning, stop. Make sure to take the garment to a professional dry cleaner who can use solvent safe for delicate fabric.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.